Yes, I got
So
it.
yeah, did you see that video?
No, not yet.
Okay, okay. So you need to log in with your email only. Okay, like
Okay,
this private
okay,
video. Otherwise, you won't able to see that video.
okay.
Okay, so wherever you want to, just using that YouTube, right? Whether if you log in with Gmail, then it's fine. Otherwise, it will ask you to log in.
Okay.
So and you need to log in with that email only. What you have given to me, right? Uh, taranya03@gmail.com.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
So now we got a clarity of recording. Okay.
Yes.
So let's see. Workbench add non-test elements script recorder. Okay. So did I tell you about this log viewer?
Not yet.
Okay. See, if you open JMeter by default, you won't be able to see this log viewer. Okay. So you
Okay.
need to click on options. If you click on this, see, by default you will see like this one, this screen only. Okay. So
Correct.
click on this, then only you can see it, right?
Okay.
So, but every time if you're opening 5 to 10 times in a day, difficult to go to there and checking, right? Yes or no?
Difficult to?
Like, see, if you open one instance like one time, then it's fine. So, the first time you can go here and we can check it. Okay.
Right.
So, okay. But if you opening, closing, and every time, like for every 1 hour, it will difficult to click on this log here.
Right.
Yeah, so for this we have one option called, so let's go to bin folder. Okay, so in the bin folder you can see jmeter.properties. Okay, see this is jmeter.properties file. Okay, open with notepad. Okay, search with log. Mm, see, see here this one line I added jmeter.logger panel dot display equal to true. Okay, if
Right.
you, yeah, before it was like this, like it was uncommented. Okay, so that's why if you open the JMeter instance, you won't able to see this logware, right?
Right.
So that's why what I did is I just uncommented it and I make it as a true. So for every time you open
Okay.
this, it will come as a default.
Okay.
So you don't have to go where and you don't have to click this one every time. Okay,
All right.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. So just tell me the steps what I need to do here. Yeah, yeah. Have
Okay.
you tried the
We
recording or
need
not?
to. Sorry.
Have you tried recording in your home?
Not yet.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Tell me the steps.
We need to go to bin folder and search for jmeters.property file, and then look for the clause log,
Okay,
and
okay.
then uncomment the jmeter.log, whatever.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, yeah, got it right. So, just tell me the steps for
Yeah.
recording.
Recording, we need to go to Workbench and then add a new HTTPS test script recorder,
Okay,
and then give the port number, a target controller as before that we need to create test plan,
okay, test plan.
thread group,
Okay,
and then add another. Can you right click?
on.
Yeah, right click, add logic controller,
In that.
recording controller. recording controller.
Why? I didn't tell you about recording controller. You got
Okay,
it
I
from.
did like that. So that it comes in the workbench.
No. See, you have to just add thread group. Okay. So just go to target controller and you can give this path.
Yeah.
That's it. You don't have to use the recording controller. Okay. I think you got it from the Google, right? That recording
Okay.
controller. So,
Okay. Okay.
okay, we don't record that one. Okay. So we can use any controller. See, mostly we use simple controller. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So just have to give the path of the thread group here. Okay. So then what about this includes and
Okay.
excludes?
Okay. That is the URL patterns to include and exclude.
Yeah, what they will
So
do.
if you want to include .gif, .php, or whatever,
Okay.
or .jpeg, .png
Mm.
format URL patterns, then
Mm.
you need to give the add it here in URL patterns to include,
Mm.
and if whatever you don't want to see it in the URL patterns, you can add it, or you can click on add suggested in excludes
Mm.
and then start the recording.
Okay. So I'll give you some port number here. Okay. And I'll do add suggest excludes. Okay. Then start. Okay. You will get some certificate. You need to click on OK. That's it. Okay. So let's go
Yeah.
to Firefox. Options. Advanced. Network settings.
Advanced settings.
Yeah. Manual.
Network
What you have given the
settings.
proxy, you have to give here. Okay. Localhost. The
Yeah.
checkbox. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just suggest me some website. We will try for that one.
Google.
No, like some e-commerce application, something which have some 3 or 4 pages. Mm. Yes, just suggest me some website, any website.
Amazon. Amazon.
Okay, okay, Amazon. Yeah, you've seen this one now. Okay, so mm, which one do you want? Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, which one do you want?
Hello.
Amazon.com or dot
India.
in India? Okay.
In dot in.
Mm, let's see whether it's able to recording or not. See, it is not able to recording anything. Okay, got it. Hello.
Yeah. 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 It's
Yeah.
not recording.
Yeah, see, you can see here some exceptions.
Socket is
Yeah, some exceptions.
closed.
Okay, see, mostly it will be due to security certificate issue only. Okay, so let's go to
Okay.
certificates. New certificates. I told you, right? Delete all the certificates. Okay, delete all the certificates. Next, import. So to directly go to the bin location, just add that one. You get a one pop up, and you need to click this one. Okay,
Okay.
let's see. If still we are not able to record means again we will start the JMeter, then we can see. See still we are not getting. Okay, so let's go to JMeter. refresh it again. No, still we are not getting it. Okay, see, still we are not getting it. So what we'll do, we'll close it and reopen it.
Okay.
Let's close this. Let's open again. So did you observe that error?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we didn't create a recording control, that's why we got error. See, now you can see it is recording. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So once we got like these calls, so we'll get a lot of calls, right? So there will be two
Yeah.
types. Okay. So if you didn't see any extensions, like see it is like just Excel, some get add, some 3523. Okay. So if there is no extension for any call, that call would be a service call.
Okay.
Okay, if you see some calls with an ending extension with some PHP, some JS, JF, they are not service calls. Okay, these are the like some JS calls, some like we have client side, right? Some JS, CSS, HTML, those will be calls to be that one. Okay,
Okay. Client calls.
yeah,
Okay.
client calls. So if these are the all service calls. Okay, so why you are not getting these calls here? Why? Because we have added here add suggested excludes.
Yeah.
That's why we are unable to see all the unnecessary calls here.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do one scenario. Suppose if you are clicking any item or any product, so let's click this camera. Okay, so let's see the call is there. Like see, so we should observe what are the calls they are doing. So like what are the data they are sending. Okay, see, so you click on some jet. Okay, so the call would be here somewhere. Okay, so we need to check each and every call. Okay, what this call is doing, what are the parameters provided there, so whether it is important or not, whether if we disable this call, whether we are able to run the script or not. We should think like in this way. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do with some dummy web application. Okay, so then I will give the assignment, so then you will get more doubts and more clarity on this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Let's close this one. Just, so here I will use the dummy application is called webloadmpstore.com. Okay, so again, I told you about the subcomponents, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then. So next, sorry, workbench, recorder, thread. Okay. Webload mpstore.com. Okay, so this is dummy website. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's see if I click on home page, right? So whether I'm getting a home page or not. Okay, see, this is a home page. Okay. So this slash means like see how I'll show you the one. Okay. So let's stop the recorder and let's see about this call. Okay, how it's framed, how the call would be framed like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, yeah. So we have a one request. So to see the results of this request, what should we add?
To see the results of this request, what should we add? Is it
Yeah. What is the component we should add?
HTTP
No, it's a
library?
no. It's the HTTP request. This is sampler, correct? So this HTTP request means one hour call or one hour transaction. Okay. So
Right.
by recording, we will get this is the call. So if I run the script, yeah, just 1 minute. Hold on the line.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So okay. So we got one call here. So what we hit here? So we have just hitting webloads.mpstore.com. Okay.
Right.
So desktop. Okay. See. So we can retract HTTP column double slash webload.mpstore.com too. Okay. Again we will write to this page only. See. Why I'm unable to see the home page? Why? What could be the reason?
This is because JMeter is not sending the request.
Okay. So what
You're
I need
not
to
recording.
do? Yeah, so I not
You
recording.
need to
So
start.
it is was not recording. It was in this stop state. Okay. So to see
Yeah.
the response here, what I need to do now?
You need to start the JMeter.
What is another option? To start JMeter, we can see the
Or
result.
else,
Yeah.
you need to go and change the proxy settings
Yeah.
as
Proxy.
manual.
Yeah. Okay. Options. Okay. So if you give HTTP column www.webloadmpstore.com or directly you can give webloadmpstore.com. So whatever ability it will take as it, right? If it is a valid domain
Yeah.
name. So okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're looking for jump, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So one of the intro questions was like you need to explain each component of this one. What is www? What is HTTP? What is the .com? And what is the domain name?
Okay.
Okay. So see, this .com is like a domain. Like we can give dot or it's like organization. .com is commercial. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So this
Right.
webload means that server name or website name.
Okay.
Okay, so mostly we will give HTTPS or HTTP. Okay, there are two
Right.
HTTP protocols. So you should know the difference between HTTP and HTTPS too.
Okay.
Like it's only security, but there are a lot of difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, just if you
Okay.
have time, just go through those differences.
All right.
Right? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So, so we are doing like this way. So in JMeter, so it may be, see, like this application may using .NET or Java, whatever it may be. Okay, we are running on the API calls background. That is machine should.
Right.
Yeah. So they can use any protocol, HTTP protocol, HTTP protocol, FTP protocol, or if they're using web services, then they can use any web services, SOAP calls or whatever it is. Okay, so but so JMeter will pick up in the recording view. It always pick up the calls in the HTTP protocol only.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to, you can frame on your own protocol. Add sampler. You can see if you want to it's FTP, then you can give FTP, or if it is web services, you can give SOAP. Okay, but in the recording concept, JMeter will always pick the request in the HTTP request only.
Okay.
Okay, got it right. So see here. So
Yeah.
the server name IP would be our website name .com only. We don't have to give here HTTP or double double dot.
Okay.
So just this server name. So name means just these are alphabets, right? Suppose if your application was deployed in the local or in a test environment, there will be IP will be there like 172 dot something, 132 dot something, right? So that we call as a
Right.
IP. Okay. If you are giving IP here, then you need to give port number too.
Okay.
But if you are giving server name directly, you don't have to give port number here.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all important interview questions only. They won't ask like how you will make the script. So they will ask just simple concepts in JMeter.
Okay.
Okay, that's why we will concentrate more on the basics only. Okay, so yeah. Next one, see. So if by default it's saying HTTP. Okay, if they are
Right.
using HTTPS, then you will get as HTTPS.
Okay.
Okay, see, so if you run this script, so JMeter will frame a request like http colon slash web.mpstore.com after the slash. This slash means home page, main page. See, this is the main page. Okay, see, if you give slash here, what will happen? It will go to home page only. Okay, so that's why you should know all the main important functionalities in this HTTP request because all of other classes will depend on this HTTP request only. Okay, so you have idea of API, right? Application Programming Interface. Hello, 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 hello. In point,